Fibonacci hack has completely changed the way I trade. First, go to the settings of the Fibonacci tool. Enable these levels: 0, 0.706, 0.618, 1, and 0.79. This will give you 3 main levels in this area like this. This area is called
the golden zone,
or where price has the best probability to reverse. But that's not all. We have an extra little trick. First, grab your Fibonacci retracement tool and mark from the swing low to the swing high. This gives us the golden zone where price is most likely to reverse. Well, we want to pair it with an extra bit of confluence with the strategy. What I tested that works great is pairing it with fair value gap. So you can see here, there's a nice bullish fair value gap right here, and it just so happens to be in the golden zone, which means there's an even higher probability of price bouncing in the zone. Once price enters the zone, set your stop loss right below the golden zone and set your take profit at the recent swing high. And look what happens, an easy winning trade. Find more trading tips on my profile, and don't forget to follow.